Understanding Bitcoin, the basics of blockchain technology. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Bitcoin and blockchain technology. If you're new to this space, don't worry, we'll break it down for you in simple terms. Let's start with the basics. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any single entity like a government or a bank. Now, let's talk about blockchain technology. Blockchain is the underlying technology that powers Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It's a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each block contains a list of transactions, and once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered. So, why is blockchain important? Well, it's secure, transparent, and tamper-proof because the ledger is distributed across many computers. It's nearly impossible for someone to tamper with the data. This makes blockchain a great tool for secure and transparent transactions. Now, let's talk about how you can actually use Bitcoin. You can buy and sell goods and services using Bitcoin, just like you would with traditional currency. You can also invest in Bitcoin as a store of value, similar to gold or other commodities. Finally, let's address some common misconceptions about Bitcoin and blockchain. Some people think that Bitcoin is only used for illegal activities, but that's not true. In fact, many legitimate businesses and organizations accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. So, there you have it, the basics of Bitcoin and blockchain technology. We hope this video helped you understand these concepts a little better. If you have any questions or want to learn more, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.